3, 2, 1, go! What is up, guys? Welcome back to our HypeFoods mini-series, Food for the Win. Today we are at Poke by Hawaii in University Park by USC, and unfortunately today I am doing the Mauna Loa Spicy Poke Challenge. Apparently I have to eat this really spicy poke, and if I do it, I get on the wall of fame. If I don't, I end up on the wall of shame. And looking at it right now, there's only been 3 losers, so I don't want to be number 4. Your boy Glenn is behind the camera. And I guess we'll just go inside and destroy my stomach. Let's get it. So I have the spicy poke here, the Mauna Loa challenge. 7 minutes, no food, no water. If I win, 3 free meals though. If I lose, no free meals.
$25.
A $25 meal.
You know what you should do? You should put $25 right here.
and just like visualize my 20.
Yeah.
I have 20. Can you produce the 5?
I don't have 5.
Alright, well at least if I look at it. Alright, if I I didn't eat anything, my stomach's gonna get wrecked.
You think he's gonna do it? I think he's gonna do it. It's easy? Yeah. Can you do it? I failed.
Dude, my heart feels like scared. Like I'm so nervous.
Alright,
okay.
ready?
Yep, let's
7
get it.
minutes.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god, I'm so scared right now.
First bite's the hardest.
Oh.
Yeah, he's grounded. I don't think time is the scary part, dude.
My heart is shaking.
Don't shake your heart. How's the spice? It's okay?
It's pretty bad.
1 chip challenge, man?
No.
6 minutes.
What do you think, Glenn?
It's good. Swallow it. Just swallow it. How's the flavor though? It's good? Good spice? It's just hot.
No. I'm crying.
You gotta not stop. You just gotta keep going.
3 meals. 3 meals. Come on, boy. How you doing? How you doing? It's okay? You got 4 minutes left, bro. Oh, no, don't do that. Do not do that. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. 4 bites left. Oh. Oh. Look, take your time. You have 3 minutes left. You can do 1 bite in a minute. Oh. Oh. What is it? What are you doing? Bro, what are you doing?
It's spicy.
But why are you grinding on the wall?
It's hot.
Bro, you got 2 minutes left.
You're not doing this.
You got this $25, $24 of motivation here.
Oh.
Hey,
You got 1.5 minutes.
1 minute 30, boy. Get those. Good. Chew and swallow, boy.
Oh.
Or don't even chew, just swallow.
Yeah,
Whatever gets it down, swallow.
swallow. You only got
I don't even know.
52 seconds left, bro. 50. All of it. Come on.
Good.
No game.
Ow, ow. Can I drink this yet?
Oh, yeah, go for it, go for it. Congratulations.
Thank you, bro. Ouch.
How does victory taste?
Oh, spicy. Oh, God.
Oh, there it is. That's the timer. You did it. At least the water's cold.
It's making it worse. The back of my throat hurts so bad.
Just leave the water in your mouth. That's what I used to do.
Cut. Hey, are you filming? I want to throw up so bad. What flavor is this? Oh, it's coconut. Oh, man.
You thought it was vanilla?
Yeah.
Are you proud of yourself?
I am. I'm like, I don't have much in this life, but at least I have this. Alright, so the spicy poke Mauna Loa challenge sucked. I thought it was actually way worse after I finished because my stomach was wrecked and my mouth was on fire. But I did it. I got
the dub.
I got the dub. Got 3 free meals. Got free ice cream in there too. And I didn't have to pay. I have to pay $25. So I want to thank you guys again for watching today's video. If this is your first time watching, please hit the subscribe button so you can get more of our Food for the Win updates. If you guys are ever by USC in the University Park area, please come out to Poke by Hawaii. On top of their spicy poke, they have a lot of really good poke, big poke rolls. It's really, really good. So I guess we'll see you guys next time on HypeFoods.